Another good looking day for Nvidia stock today, guys. We're up almost 3% on the day and we're pushing $130 per share. So, guys, we have to break down Nvidia, the charts. What I'm looking to do, as you guys know, I own the stock and we're going to break down some other stocks later in the video. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. I think now we're 200-300 subs away from 50,000 subscribers. And guys, get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, fund it with at least $100 using that link down below. You get 5 free stocks, and once you deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks. So if you want 30 free stocks, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's get into it. So like I said, guys, Nvidia is having another good day, and it's had a couple of days now in a row. It's stringing a couple good green days, which, guys, I'm here for it, man. I'm here for it. After, the stock got to what, $110, $11 per share after, DeepSeek, the news we got kind of shocked the stock market, which I think was and still is short-term noise. And I bought the dip. I'm sure a lot of you guys did as well. And here we are, pushing $130, up another 3%. And like I said, we've strung together many green days in a row. We hit on Monday, it looks like. Was that Monday? So it wasn't that many days ago, I guess. We hit $111 on Monday. Monday or Tuesday, whatever day that was. Yeah, Monday, I think. And we're up from that point about 13%. So clearly, guys, what that tells me, and I'm right in the short term, it looks like I've been proven right. What that tells me is that people are buying up the dip, after DeepSeek. Essentially, they think it's a buying opportunity, which I'm all in on that too, right? I think it's a buying opportunity. So we got that short term sell-off, buyers came in, now we're pushing 130. We're not out of the woods yet, but we are noticing a breakout of both moving averages. We have a golden cross now in the making here on the 1 hour time frame, and we're getting closer and closer to the $130 resistance where my alert's at here. You guys see it, which you should know at this point. I'll mention it again. 130 was support for quite some time on Nvidia stock, and then we fell through it, right, making it resistance, and we failed to break back over it over the last couple of weeks, 2-ish weeks now, and we're testing it again. Now's the moment of truth, right? This spot we're at, this is a big spot, man. If Nvidia is able to get out of there, momentum is really going to build up. And really, at that point, the DeepSeek news will be in the rearview mirror. Although it could still come back and, push the stock down at some point, in the future. But for now, if we break out of there, 130, DeepSeek news could be in the rearview mirror for now, right? We'll see, though. My alert's set at 130. If that level is able to break, to me, it looks like we have a, one-way ticket towards $140 a share, 137 as well. That's a big spot. Obviously 150-ish is the all-time high on the stock. That could be another spot we start moving towards. But, yeah, either way, guys, I think we're going in the right direction. And even if it chops around a little bit more, I'm still going to hold on to Nvidia and buy more, especially if it goes lower. Guys, I own the stock. I don't think I mentioned in this video, but I bought more at about $113. I mentioned that a couple of videos ago. You might remember that from earlier this week, but I did buy and added more to my Nvidia position. And at this point, guys, we're still technically under the moving averages on the 4-hour chart, and we have a death cross right now, so keep that in mind. But that could break very quickly, right? Very quickly. So, yeah, $130. Keep your alerts there. We're up 2.8% right now. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. And ARM Holdings, I'm pretty sure, reported earnings yesterday. Let's quickly take a look at their earnings. Looks like revenue. Where are we at here, guys? EPS, revenue. So adjusted EPS came in at 39 cents for ARM Holdings versus 34 cents. So that beat. Revenue $983 million versus $946 million expected. So a double beat out of ARM Holdings. And let's see here, guys. Full year guidance is set. It says here they see Q4 revenue of $1.17 to $1.27 billion. They see Q4 adjusted EPS of 48 cents to 56 cents, it looks like. And full year revenue 25 of 3.94 to 4.04 billion. So pretty much right there. ARM Holdings, full year adjusted EPS of $1.56 to $1.64. All right. And yeah, the stocks, down a little bit. It looks like about 3.8%. And Wells Fargo, looks like here they have an $185 price target, overweight rating on the stock. Citigroup has a buy on the stock and a $200 price target here on ARM Holdings. And overall, there's no doubt it's directionally bullish. It is, but it is also struggling to push out of the highs from the end of January, being about 165, 170, 75, 80. This level needs to break, and who knows? Maybe Citigroup could be right at that point. Maybe we start going $200 per share, folks. Maybe that's where we're going to go. And it looks like here Palantir, I made a video earlier on it, guys. Make sure to go check it out. It didn't hit $110 in that previous video, but now it officially is over $110 as we're 7 minutes away from close, which... holy smokes, man. Another all-time high, up 9%, just when you thought it needed to pull down. It keeps on going, baby. It keeps on going, which is just freaking mind-blowing, unbelievable, guys. PLTR just keeps on shocking the world. Let's see what other stocks are moving. Applied Materials is moving a little bit into earnings, although this looks very much so like head and shoulders, does it not? You guys see that right there. So we have earnings for Applied Materials on the 13th, so that's next Thursday. We'll see how those are, guys. We do have that head and shoulders, like I said, but if you look at it like this, it kind of looks like a wedge as well, does it not? You guys kind of see that wedge. So let's see what direction we pick on AMAT. I'm going to set my alert at $185 per share. So let's see if we're able to break out of that. So guys, what are your thoughts? Let me know down below in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe here on YouTube and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.